It says recording, everybody. It says recording. We'll see. Welcome. So happy to have you guys here today. How's everyone feeling? Let's go around the room quick and just do a one-word check-in. And if you don't want to share, just keep yourself muted. No pressure. No need for any social anxiety first thing on a Tuesday morning. Deborah, would you share with us one word?
I feel really good and really grateful.
Yes. How about you, Miss Anne?
Great.
Great. Suzanne says, the spring sun. So beautiful. Chantel, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
What's one word of how you're doing?
Thankful.
Thankful?
Yes.
Thank you. How about you, Catalina?
I am quiet, peaceful. Thank
Perfect. And Miss Shannon?
Magical.
Ooh. And Miss Dorothy, if you're able to unmute yourself, tell us one word of how you're doing, if you wish. Oh, she departed. She'll be back, I hope. And Diane, if you're there and you want to share one word of how you're doing.
Grateful to be here.
Grateful to have you. And Diane, is this your first time here with us?
It is, yes.
And have you done Kundalini Yoga before?
Maybe, I'm not
Okay.
sure.
Okay, perfect. It is the weird yoga. That's just how you, if you've done weird yoga before, you've done Kundalini Yoga. Yes, you made it back. Thanks, Dorothy. You made it back.
I'm back and I'm feeling happy.
Yay. Well, how wonderful. Everyone, it feels pretty good in here. Did you guys see the full moon last night? The pink Scorpio moon, I think. Wow. It was so beautiful and abundant. It was a birthday present for me, apparently from the universe. That was really great. This is like the beginning for me. I had my birthday yesterday, and now it's the beginning again. So, you know, I'm starting over. I'm starting from scratch here. We'll see how it goes this year, everybody. But I appreciate all your birthday wishes yesterday. Thank you so much. And yeah, we just have a few more days of our immersion into sound and mantra. And today we're going to be introducing a very nurturing, strengthening, and expanding sound for ourselves. So I'm so happy to be able to share this with you. But I want you to start thinking about if, I think we will continue in May, but if we do, what you guys would like to deepen into from the yogic world. So think about it, and if you want to message me and let me know your thoughts, maybe I'll post a poll later today to check in with folks. But if there's anything you'd like to sink into for the month of May, like maybe chakras or the 10 bodies or deepening into yogic philosophy, I don't know. Why am I talking so much? Let's get started. Come sitting comfortably and easily. Feel your root and tailbone connected into our beautiful Mama Earth, our sustainer, our giver of nourishment and provider of all things. We send our gratitude down to our Mother Earth. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Feeling her support as we continue to breathe and allow those roots to descend down, connecting into her belly. And as we continue to root, let the rest of the spine rise up vertebrae by vertebrae. Allow the heart to lift, the shoulders to drop down and back, the head to be level to the ground, the chin tucked. Eyes closed and focused on the third eye point, the space just between and above the eyebrows. And feeling with your imagination, your energy radiating up through the crown chakra like a skylight at the top of your head. And allow that energy to radiate up to the stars, connecting up into whatever planetary body you feel most connected to in this moment. Maybe it's the moon, maybe the sun, maybe the Sirius star, maybe Jupiter. I don't know. But something. Connect up there. Gain that higher perspective, that higher mind. And feel this beautiful column of connection from the earth going through your spine all the way up into the earth, feeling this axis point, axis. Yeah. This beautiful axis of energy. And with the heart continue to be lifting, bring the hands together, rub the palms. Generate some heat. And let us bring our hands into prayer mudra and prepare for our Adi mantra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I acknowledge that divine creative force of the universe. I acknowledge that that is who I am, is what we are saying, that we are the universe. We are this great wisdom and this great creative energy and the expression of that which is created through the universe. Inhale nice and deep. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply. Hold. Circulate. Inhale more. Expand this beautiful lung capacity. Exhale, squeezing the navel center in and up. Press the breath out, emptying the lungs. And then inhale deep again. Hold. Sniff some more air in, pull Mulban, root lock, tightening the muscles around the anus, sex organs, and lower belly. Squeeze those lower muscles. Hold this breath, sniff some more in, expand your lung capacity, and exhale. And then inhale again, hold, press the palms. How much air can you get in there? And exhale. And release and let your hands relax and shake them out. Oh, welcome, Pauline. Welcome, Pragati. Welcome, Kathleen. So happy to have you here this morning with us. Thanks for joining us. This is the new, I was deep in the Himalayan caves the other day. And this was an ancient technique that I found deep in the cave. The flapping of the wrist as you raise and lower your hands. And it is the yogic secret for today. Ooh. It was challenging, you know, finding the cave, even just the airport with COVID and everything to get deep into the Himalayan mountains. I wouldn't recommend it for anybody. So you just be glad that I went for you and got that yogic secret to share with you today. Come sit nice and tall and let's begin with our first exercise, the Sufi grind. And so we are bringing our awareness to our heart center as we create a nice big circle around the pelvis and begin to reach into however big or small that circle is today. It might be different than yesterday. Like for me, it's much smaller than it was yesterday. Yeah, it may have something to do with like eating lots of gluten and lots of sugar. Yummy. Probably. Yeah, that's what I'm assuming. Oh, but wherever you're at, reach in to that circle. Dorothy, you're doing so great over there in your chair. Beautiful. You got it down. Breathing, inhale, make those nice big breaths. Ah, feeling that energy of prana entering into your lungs. Keep it going. Just another few seconds here. I'm gonna bring our friend Jesse Gallagher over here for a little music for us today. Let's inhale back to center and then exhale, reverse directions. And again, finding wherever that circle is. And as your body begins to loosen and warm, you can reach a little bit deeper into the circle. For those who've been practicing for a while, we've been doing this exercise every single day for like many months now. And I'm just wow, like just feel it out. Like, how is it different than it was 3 months ago? This is like the piano scales, like you practice these these very simple building blocks. And when you get really good at the scales, then you can all of a sudden play songs and stuff with the piano. And so this is one of those scale exercises in yoga. Opening up the first 3 chakras. So powerful. Healing. Deepening the breath as you deepen the movement. And if you get bored, and you're like, Lance, you do this every day. Oh, so boring. Oh, no problem. I'll just add an extra bonus tip for you. Inhale the sound sat. Exhale the sound nam. Just mentally hearing it in your head. Inhaling sat. Exhaling nam. And it will bring extreme excitement back into your life. It is wonderful. And inhale back to center. Hold. Pull your shirt down if necessary. And exhale, release, bringing your hands onto your shins. Get a nice strong grip. And inhale, pulling the heart center forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Spinal flexes. Another of our fundamental scales. Diane, since you're new, if you have questions, just ask them. Feel free to unmute yourself. I mean, I guess that goes for anybody. If anyone has any questions, feel free to unmute yourself, but I'm happy to talk apparently today more. So there you go. Powerfully inhaling, powerfully exhaling, feeling that movement, reaching even deeper now as your body begins to warm up. And then if you've been doing this for a while, you can see like, what's it like to go really fast? Making sure you keep your head level to the ground and your chin tucked. But let's like kick it up a notch. And inhale forward, hold. And exhale. Let's bring our hands onto our shoulders. Fingers in front, thumbs behind, upper arms parallel to the ground, reaching into the elbows, pulling them slightly back. Head is level to the ground, chin is tucked. Gently squeezing those shoulder blades together so they're putting pressure on the upper thoracic vertebrae. Inhale, twist to the left, exhale right. Inhale sat, exhale nam. And just begin to flow, hearing that sound internally. And as always, if you prefer, in English, mantra, I am. I on the inhale, am on the exhale. A helpful reminder of who you are. Sat Nam, Sat means truth, Nam means identity. A reminder of your authentic self. Again, for those who've been practicing for a while with me, all right, what's it like to go a little bit faster now? Don't hurt yourself, but what's it like to flow faster, keeping with the breath, inhaling nice and deep. And inhale back to center. Hold, perfect the posture. Feel the breath, circulate, pull mobile, root lock, tightening those lower muscles. Squeezing the energy up. And exhale and release. Do you feel like your shoulders are saying, I'm so excited for this next exercise? Shoulder rolls. Ah, your shoulders have been waiting all morning for this exact exercise. Now, please release all the stagnation that's in my neck and shoulders. Open up the heart and the throat chakras. Oh, so good. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Squeeze those shoulders all the way up to the ears. Exhale with the sound ha. 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 Feel it vibrating the heart. Ha. 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 And then drop your chin to your chest. Letting your head hang with the weight of gravity. Begin your neck rolls, right ear to right shoulder, back of the head to the back of the neck, left ear to left shoulder, chin to chest. Breathe, feel. And reverse directions. And bring it back to center. Inhale, hold the breath. Pumulban root lock. And exhale and release. And feel if you need to stretch your legs out, feel free to. And then bring them back when you are ready. We're going to go into our sound exploration today. And we're going to be using the sound ma, M-A-A, A-A, A-A, A-A. I'm going to make it my name. So let's see what it does for you. We are going to, you can stay seated as you are. You can also bring your right foot flat on the ground and your right knee kind of tucked into your chest here, if you'd like. This is another option. And you can rest your, if you're in this posture, you can rest your hand by your ear, like, I need to hear that whisper. So you're cupping that sound, the ear. And if you're sitting just cross-legged, you can do the same. There's just no rest for your elbow. So the knee up is a nice little respite for your elbow as we go through this mantra. And if we were in a room together, it'd be really nice to be able to hear everybody, but we are not. So we will just be hearing ourselves and me, or you and me. And we are going to put all of our attention on our listening, and we are going to create the sound ma. And I'm going to get started and then join in whenever you feel comfortable. And I want you to pay attention to what you are noticing on the subtle realms as you create this primordial sound. Take a nice deep breath in and out, and inhale to begin. And then go up a little higher. Listening closely. Inhale nice and deep, hold. Exhale. And release the posture if you like. And just sit comfortably and easily, feeling that internal experience. Creating a primordial sound, ma. most of us, that is our first word, first sound that we make. The sound of the mother, the sound of accessing strength and nurturing, soothing energy from the mother that is our universe. It's also used in yoga to strengthen and expand the electromagnetic field around us, the auric field. So feeling into all those ideas in this moment as we begin our transition into our meditation. So for those who need to depart, feel free to chat us goodbye. And for those who can stay for some sound healing and meditation, please just stay as you are for this moment, feeling into the space, feeling into that electromagnetic field that surrounds you. 14 feet around you. Sometimes it's 9 feet when we're feeling very inward, maybe not quite ourselves. It's 4 feet when we're feeling expansive and open and happy and good and open-hearted. They can expand even further out than 14 feet. Putting your awareness on that auric field. We're going to do 3 different sounds today for our sound healing. If you're comfortable where you are and feeling good in your meditative posture, stay right there. If you'd like to move or come lay down to receive these sounds today, feel free to do it. The first sound will be the rattle to clear any stagnation, any blockages, anything stuck. Then we will use the singing bowl to build the energy. To harmonize, to tune, to bring into resonance our vibratory body. And then we will use the bells to beautify, to flower, to expand the higher centers. So relax, find your space, invite these sounds in as best that you're able through the outer net. Relaxing into the sounds. Take a nice deep breath in and a deep breath out, allowing all those sounds to integrate. And a nice deep breath in and out, feeling. Another nice deep breath in and out. Gently wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes, gently rotating the wrists, rotating the shoulders, giving a little shoulder shrug, maybe a little stretch. Ooh. Beauty. Would you guys like to close our space with a long time sunshine song? Let's do it. I hope you know the words by now, but I did write them out for you guys in the Yogic Secrets section of our course homepage. So, comes from an old Irish blessing. Let's bring our hands together, or hands on the heart, and sending this prayer of light and love out. I think I'll try to go a little bit higher today in my singing for you. Nice deep breath in and out, and inhale to begin. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on, guide your way on, guide your way on. Sat Nam. Peace to all, love to all, light to all. Satnam, thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I love you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you for sharing your space and energy with me this morning. Feel free to unmute yourself to say goodbye, and I will stay for a couple more minutes today if anyone has any questions. I'll be here until 9:20. We're gonna just hang out. So otherwise, say goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Charlie.
Happy belated birthday.
Thanks, Deborah. Appreciate it.
Birthday week.
Bye.
Bye, Pragati.
Bye. Thank you. See you
Thank
again
Bye,
soon.
Sherry.
Bye.
Bye,
Love you,
Diane.
Lance.
Thank you for being with
Love-
us.
Love the rattle. That was awesome. Thank you. Oh, can I see it again? I had my eyes closed at the time where, oh. Wow. Thank you.
You're so welcome. I love you, Sherry. Have an amazing day.
Thank
Mwah.
you. Love you, Lance. Love you all. Bye.